Hey there, I'm Mel, and today in this lesson we are going to learn how to pronounce the TH sounds. Yes, sounds, because there are two TH sounds in English, the voiced TH sound and the voiceless TH sound. In this video, I will show you and coach you how to make the sounds. I'll give you some super tips and easy ways to decide when to use each sound. We'll break it down step by step so you'll know when to use each sound, what it sounds like, and how to make it. Plus, most importantly, at the end we'll practice some words. Let's start by understanding why the TH sounds can be a bit tricky to make. The simple answer is because they are not found in any other language. So if you're having trouble pronouncing TH words, you're not alone. It's totally normal because your mouth has never made the sound before and your brain doesn't know how to produce it. The great news is everyone can do it and it will feel more natural as you use it. First up, let's look at the voiced TH sound. This sound is used in all function words like this, that, and with. It's also used in words ending in THER, such as mother, father, and other. For these words, you will make the voiced TH sound, which sounds like this. Mm, mm, mm. Can you hear the vibration? Now listen to it as I say a few words. This, that, there, mother, weather, with. Let's now listen to the voiceless TH sound, which is found in words like think, bath, and even the number 3. This sound is used for almost all the TH sounds in English. The voiceless TH sound is made by blowing air while keeping your voice silent, like this. Can you hear the difference? With the voiceless TH, you can only hear the air. So voiced TH with the vibration and voiceless TH with just air. Now let's practice together with some simple steps. First, position your tongue between your teeth, gently touching against your upper front teeth. The tip of your tongue should just poke out slightly past your front teeth, like this. Make sure you relax. It's all about light contact, no biting. Let's now make the voiced TH sound. Exhale, blow out while gently vibrating your vocal cords as if you're whispering. Try it. Can you feel the vibration on the tip of your tongue? Let's now try the voiceless TH. Place your tongue again between your teeth in the same position as we just did for the voiced TH, gently touching against your upper front teeth. Remember to relax. Now exhale, blow air out without using your voice, so no vibration, no sound, just blow air over your tongue. Try it. If you hold your hand up to your mouth, you should feel some air. Can you feel it? Try it once again. Awesome, you're doing great. Are you ready to practice some words? Repeat after me. Let's try the voiced TH first. Remember to put your tongue between your teeth, gently touching your upper front teeth, and blow out using your voice. You should feel the vibrating on your tongue and in your throat. Let's try. This, this, this. Now let's try mother, 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 mother. Great. Now let's try the voiceless TH. Remember the same position, so your tongue between your teeth, gently touching against your upper front teeth. Just blow air out. No voice, no vibration, just air. Repeat after me. Think, think, think. And bath, bath, bath. Awesome, you're doing great. If it feels a bit strange, you're on the right track. With a bit of practice, repeating this video, following these simple steps, you'll be speaking it confidently and clearly in no time. You can also practice with my free TH pronunciation ebook. The link is in the description below, where you can also find other free English pronunciation materials. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more English pronunciation tips. See you in the next lesson.